Farmers 4-H Club.
Hello, my name is Sierra. I'm in row 1 of 4-H Club.
Hi, my name is Savannah and I'm in the 4-H Club.
And today we're making a peanut butter banana shake. First you take one small ripe banana, cut it into pieces and put it in the blender.
What should we always do before we make food?
Wash our hands.
And you should wash your hands before you ever make
Soap
food.
and water.
Yeah.
Very
For
good.
20 seconds. Alright, next you take 1.5 cups low-fat milk cold and you pour it into the blender.
Pointy. Like that?
And then you take 1/4 cup of peanut butter smooth and put it into the blender. And then you take 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla flavor and put it in the blender. And then you put a dash of milk.
Cool.
After you get ready, done blending it, you have to get your glasses ready to pour it in the cups. I'm pretty sure this is here. Let's try. It's tasty.
Yeah. Thank you for watching.
Hope you try it.
It's good.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. See you later.